Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable LinkedIn Creator Mode for more followers, complete guide step by step clearly. First, log into your LinkedIn account. Navigate to your profile by clicking on your profile picture in the top right corner. Scroll down until you reach the resources section on your profile page. Look for the option labeled Open To and click on it. In the drop-down menu, select Activities. Now, you will see the option to enable Creator Mode. Toggle the switch to turn on Creator Mode. Once activated, you will be prompted to select your preferred topics of interest. Choose up to 5 topics that reflect your expertise or passion. Click Save to apply your selections. After saving, your profile will now highlight your content. This includes posts and articles related to the topics you selected. Next, adjust your profile's introductory part to showcase your content. Consider adding a new banner image that represents your brand. Make sure your headline reflects your identity as a creator. With Creator Mode enabled, followers will be prioritized over connections. Stay consistent in posting valuable content to attract and retain followers. Engage with your audience through comments and direct messages. Regularly analyze your profile insights to see what resonates with your audience. This will help you refine your content strategy over time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.